So today I'm just focusing on jigging with the fish finder. So I haven't marked any fish yet, but so I've started. I'm in a different spot. I'm a little closer to the truck instead of cruising all the way across the lake. It's been raining and warm. I'm still on, I'd say 15 to 16 inches of ice, but the top portion is slushy. So I'm just going to stay here closer to the truck instead of trucking out across the middle of the lake, where I feel like I'd have to keep testing the ice frequently. I did a few test holes before, I got past 3 or 4 feet of water. I mean, it's plenty thick and should be safe, but when this ice melts, it doesn't come off consistently in all locations. So anytime I'm questioning the ice at all, I just am really, really thorough with pounding with my spud bar or drilling test holes to ensure that I'm in a safe place. So I feel safe where I'm at, but I'm not going to go cruising out across the lake. I'm just going to fish right here, and the fact that it's so rainy, we'll see how long I last out here. So hopefully we catch some fish and we can get the action on the fish finder. So I'm going to drop this jig down just a little further and let it sit for a bit. I'm not going to anchor the quick stroke here. I'm just going to use it as a rod holder. And while I'm drilling other holes to set up. So I'm going to do like I do in my how to find trout video, where I drill a series of holes, starting shallow and going deeper, and then we'll just see if we can't find the fish. So fingers crossed. Looks like we got a fish hitting it. See that on the fish finder? We'll see if it's still there. It grabbed it for a second. Oh, that's a little too gung-ho there. See if we can get him back. Looks like he's still there. I'm dropping back down to him. Yep, he's still there on the fish finder. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, too slow. Hopefully it's not one of those kind of days. And we'll drop back down again. Oh my goodness. Just hitting it. There. Okay. Well, that's one way to catch him. It's nice of him to give me, I think maybe on the 4th try. So 4 tries. That's the first hole we fished. Down he goes. All right. So as you can see, I'm using my setup that has, it's a green hair jig underneath, a white kind of tube jig or hoochie with glow eyes, and then I'm using fake gulp corn to tip the hook. So I'm going to show you real quick what I was doing when that fish came by, is trying to create a little rain cover, because obviously if the lens is constantly wet, it makes for pretty crummy footage. So hopefully it's not blocking the view of the camera, but okay. Okay, we're playing with it. Okay, fish number 2. Another little guy. We'll take it. So fish number 2. So far we're 2 for 2. I got that guy on the first go around. So this just demonstrates, you know, what a difference the fish finder can make, and that it doesn't have to be a huge investment. You know, this is a very affordable unit, and just really, I feel like it increases my catch rate. You know, just having that visibility of those fish coming in, especially like with a dead stick, even if you're not actively jigging, it allows me to, you know, get ready, get the rod in my hand, give it just a little bit of action, and catch fish. The shallow one. Woo! Down it goes. Wonder how long he was playing with it. We'll see in the footage. Okay, sweet, almost a double. Save my corn, fake corn that is. All right, buddy. Oh, I'm getting one of the bite on the one out there now. Wow, that bite turned on fast. Okay, we got a fish on the Dodger. See, it just came in. Bumped it. Got it. It's a better fish. We can get it up through there. Looks like, at least. Oh yeah, I want better fish. That's on the, yeah, easy there, big fella. On the Hoochie with a hair jig hooked to my Dodger rig. So I have a video of how I make those Dodger rigs and use them. That is just a beautiful fish. Even has a speckled belly. Oh, I'm getting hit here too. They come in pairs. Got him. Feels like a little guy, but we'll take it. Could almost be bait for that big one. See you later. Alright, I think I'll fish just a little longer. It is very cold, mostly because it's wet. And then one thing that I've talked about in the past is every time I get a fish on these tube jigs or hair jigs, any of them, I adjust the knot. So see, when you catch a fish, it goes to the front and it hangs down. You pull that knot back around so you get a better presentation. You can adjust it even back like that, and that just seems to work better for me. All right, well, like I said, it's pretty wet and cold, so I think that's gonna be it for today unless I catch some more as I'm cleaning up. I'll start by taking down the quick strike and then clean up all this, but unless I get lucky and grab one while cleaning up, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and other videos that I have. I want them to be informative and entertaining, so please, if you have any feedback, comment, like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. This will probably be my last ice fishing video for the year. I'm going to move into a lot of fishing in the boat and in the kayak. I'll be targeting kokanee, lake trout, bull trout, brown trout, rainbows, and doing various methods to target those. Jigging, trolling, and maybe even some other stationary methods. So let me know if you have any requests. Thanks again, and goodbye.